12 weather with meteorologist Jeff Donovan.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 Midday. Let's take a look at a very wet Grants Pass from the Taprock Northwest Grill. You can see some pretty heavy rainfall coming down, cars kicking up rooster tails behind them. If you are in our west side valleys today, certainly make sure to take things a bit slow because of the heavy rain. And then in higher elevations, you want to take things a bit slower because it is just so snowy out there. The satellite radar picture right now does show plenty of rain and snow coating southern Oregon and northern California through our higher terrain of the Siskiyous, Cascades, and then through the Mount Shasta area. We are looking at more in the way of snow. The lower elevations more in the way of rain, although we have been looking at some snow showers really from Grants Pass, just to the south of Grants Pass, all the way to Cave Junction. East of the Cascades, staying fairly out of it right now, but that will change in fairly short order. Temperatures at this point, 39 degrees in Medford, mid 30s to low 40s into Siskiyou County, and then east of the Cascades, temperatures at present are sitting in those 30s. This 32, well, it was 32 degrees. That 34 degree mark at Grants Pass is why we have been looking at some snow mixed in with the rain, if not just downright snow at times in that area today. Let's take a look at some of our traffic cameras in the region. Lake of the Woods, Highway 140, really looking at some of those snow-covered roadways right now. A bit further to the west towards Hayes Hill, this is Highway 199. We are looking at those snow-covered roadways at this point. Very slippery roadways out there, even over some of our lower elevation passes. And then as we look towards I-5 and in Siskiyou County, roadways looking pretty okay right now. But as we go later into the day, we are expecting those conditions to deteriorate. Today around southern Oregon and northern California, high temperatures will only be in the upper 30s in our west side valleys, mid to upper 30s into Siskiyou County, and then upper 30s to potentially low 40s east of the Cascades, with plenty of precipitation. Let's talk about Stormcast snowfall totals that we're going to be looking at today, between 6 and 16 inches in the Mount Shasta City area. I know that's a pretty big range, but the reason for that range is because models have been a little bit iffy at times in the Mount Shasta City area, so we're going to give it that big range there. Still anticipate lots of snow. East of the Cascades, between 4 and 8 inches of snow, 4 and 6 inches of snow for Klamath Falls and Blind Mountain. Certainly going to be pretty messy through Klamath and Lake counties today, through our Cascades themselves. Lake of the Woods, where we took that live look earlier, 8 to 12 inches of snow will fall today. And then as we look through our west side valleys, not much in the way of accumulation, even though you could see a few flakes here and there. We could, though, pick up between 5 and 10 inches of snow towards Siskiyou Summit. I'm going to step off the screen right now so you can get an idea of where we have winter weather alerts in our region, and it's pretty much everywhere. All of these areas in this pink color, I don't need to go through all of these individually, but just be aware we are going to be picking up that accumulating snow. And then for all of these areas in this purple color, also looking at accumulating snow, so travel today over higher terrain is just simply not advised. And if you have to, certainly try to maybe put it off till later when some of that snow could taper off. In fact, by Tuesday, looking at a little bit of a lull in the action, just some spotty snow showers, but then we have that snow ramping right back up as we go into Wednesday. For the next 7 days, we are going to see an awfully wet stretch along the Oregon coastline. Temperatures will be residing in those 40s. As we go to Siskiyou County, rain and snow likely today, just an isolated shower or two possible on your Tuesday, but then we get right back to that active weather by Wednesday and Thursday. East of the Cascades, snow likely today, a few snow showers tomorrow, and then more snow showers, coming as we get to your Wednesday. Our mountains, periods of hazardous travel will exist today, and then again on Wednesday. Tuesday is looking like the best day for travel really for anywhere in our region. And then our west side valleys, rainfall likely today, just a few showers tomorrow, but then rain and potentially even some rain snow on Wednesday and even Thursday.